from Fam Corner. From now on, each time we will talk about different traditions in Kurdish culture. This time we will talk about
the benefits of farm animal.
As we all know, farm animals have many benefits
for health and financial matters.
Farming is good for health as it reduces the likeliness of developing asthma or allergies, boosting your immune system, keeping your heart healthy, a better positive mental and emotional stats.
Being a farmer is challenging and stimulating work. You will never find a farmer that says their job is boring.
Farming helps develop younger generations for greater appreciation for animals.
Children who grew up on a farm are known to have a stronger grasp of the value of hard work. They see the direct correlation between putting in effort and its reward.
Simply, if the work isn't done, they won't make profit and they'll be accountable for their responsibilities.
It also can make our environment thrive.
فام همیشه پیشنگرد